We're setting off in your boy Traffic Cone's car.
Can't reveal the name, man. I feel like one day I'm gonna have to when I start Traffic Cone's performance. Yeah.
We got Mexican steak out here.
The Mexican steak.
The Mexican steak. Steaks in Mexico for today.
Getting through this is about to be rough.
Oh, there's a lot of traffic here.
A lot right now. What time is it? It's only 1 o'clock.
I don't know if you can do the same thing that I did.
I'm about to.
Right here, maybe.
Let the Miata behind me go. I hit Miata, the Mini.
The Mini. Alright, turn it off.
Yeah, just turn it off. Who does that?
Alright, lucky day.
I guess they're going to the lake.
Yeah, probably. Turn off, like?
Nah, it went off, yeah.
What do I need to like push it? Or?
Oh, what? It turned off? Oh no, if it turns off.
Oh, the screen just turns off. Okay.
Basically goes in like screen off mode.
Oh, I saved a highlight because I pushed the power button. I don't know what it is. How many times did you go without me?
A lot.
A lot? Yeah, I can tell.
But I've been more comfortable driving in general now, like with the wheels and stuff, and like changing like how I hold the steering wheel by like watching other people's like clips. Because I've only gone here twice without you, and that one night without you. Yeah.
We got here that much. I love it though. It's such a nice ride.
Driving, I was going way faster than what they need.
Yeah.
Easily.
You were going a lot.
A lot faster.
Yeah, a lot.
But like, it doesn't feel like I'm going that much faster, you know? Like, it legit feels like I'm just cruising.
I mean, you're just a lot bigger, and I think you're a little bit higher than mine. I don't think you're as low as me.
Yeah. But the car is like, is a lot heavier. But it makes more power.
It's smoother. So it's like it's more insulated.
And then I don't have an exhaust too. The exhaust also, I feel like it has the feel. Yeah. And because I feel like you have a tiny stick shift car, like I ain't gonna lie, your shifts might be way better than mine by landslide. Really? Like it could. I don't know, because yours feels so much smoother when you shift than me.
Well, I don't shift it. I don't shift it like fast either. I feel like you shift it fast. I feel like you slow down a little bit. Yeah. Like if you maybe upshift like you're dailying it almost, you know? Yeah, see, that's how I upshift. I don't like. Okay, you have more revving than I do too.
Yeah, drop a whole 1,000 RPM per.
No, like mine drops faster than yours does.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Oh. That makes it easier for you to upshift though. Like when it drops like faster. Yeah. Because it can go down like.
Nah, it's wait. We took a right.
Right. Yeah, right. send it this hard in the day. I don't want to piss people off, you know.
Yeah.
Because all I gotta do is just call like 911 once, and then there's gonna be cops.
I know, that's why I'm trying to get at least one good run. Because his thing is, I don't know when I'm gonna ever get another good chance, you know, like, because like, look, from when you started, when you had your first run, the first and second run, the road were empty.
Well, yeah, because it was at night.
People.
Yeah, because it was
not at night. Like when we started like 12.
Oh, you're talking about today?
Today, yes, we started at like 12. So like getting a better run was like, like now we have the mail trucks out, bro.
Yeah.
Like mail trucks wasn't here an hour ago. Like, we've been here an hour, bro.
I mean, you're sending it harder than I was, though. I wasn't sending it that hard.
I mean, yeah.
Was I?
No. But the thing is, like I said, like 80 in this car feels like 60 in yours.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but like.
Well, it's smaller and it's like louder and it's like kind of raw. Yeah. It's how short it is too. Like it feels like it's faster because it's short. You know, it's like relative to the car. So technically speaking, like I'm probably going a higher mile an hour, but we're probably covering. I'm not gonna lie, probably the same distance or something. Well, no, you're covering more distance, but like relative to the car, it's like because the car is smaller.
Yeah, it's relative to the car. And then I have more room for error because I'm longer. Like.
I gotta get so upset like over these bumps too, like the little bumps, because it's so light.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be like really good.
I thought she was about to go.
Yeah. Dude, that shit happens to me all the time.
Yeah.
I fucking hate that shit. Small car. Yeah, if y'all ever get a small car or a motorcycle, be careful.
The sheriff right there.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So what's the plan?
Mexico police. You can keep running. Yeah, just don't send it hard. Okay, that's kind of hard though, isn't it?
What? I don't know where he's at.
You want to send it, don't you?
Huh?
You want to send it, don't you?
What if we come back down and he's there?
Well, don't be coming. You can come back down. Just don't be coming down and like fucking mock Jesus.
Not mock Jesus.
Like, if you come down at like,
bro, this would have been perfect, honestly.
Like 45, 50, he's not gonna pull you over, I don't think.
Speed limit is like 30.
But like, these people are all going 45, 50. Yeah, see if you come, you might be able to go like 50.
I'm about to show you exactly what 50 feels like, bro. Hold on. This is 50.
Or maybe a little faster.
Exactly.
Maybe like 55. 60.
Nah, exactly, and that's where you get to 60 super quick.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Oh, that was a traction on. Makes sense. Let's see, I probably might be able to get it quicker with beans. We go past the sheriff full send. I've got a call. I can't see nothing out the back. Can you?
Car. Alright, you're chilling now.
Alright, fuck. Now the car's coming.
You got a while. I mean, you're gonna be stuck behind both of them anyway.
Both?
Yeah, there's one more.
Wait, where he coming right now?
Yeah, he coming right now. He's under the bridge.
Fuck me.
After him, you're good though.
Good?
Yeah, you're good. You're chilling.
Oh, he's turning off.
Oh, the first time I went down this road, there was it was like a track prep S2000.
For real?
Yeah. Like a big wing, like it had like canards and like a diffuser and a wing, and it had like aero bits on it, and I think it had wheels and it was lowered too.
Well, guess what speed this is, bro?
This 50?
Yes. I'm GOD not even on the gas. Exactly. Like,
dude, it's because we're getting used to driving fast, and now it's like, you know, like it can't be fun anymore.
I know, and that's why the only thing is to go fast.
That's why I love my car though, because I can have fun at this speed.
But that's why I feel like me personally, I like lower horsepower cars. Yeah. Because when you drive a lower horsepower car fast, you're going fast. Yeah. But when you get to like 300, like I said this in the last YouTube video, when you're going 300-400, like you're fast enough to do anything. You're fast enough to do absolutely anything.
No, anything over that, it's just either for like big cars or you're trying to race people.
Exactly. Because I want this to max out at 650. Max. Yeah. All motor 650.
When you get when you get like above 5, it's just all like traction at that
exactly.
point.
But then like traction only helps so much, you know, like.
Well, no, like above 500, it's just all traction.
No, traction issues.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Like traction is the only thing holding you back at 500, unless you're doing rollers like going 120. Like you don't need more than 500, which is a fucking insane statement to say. Dude, I think people forget how much 500 is.
Yes, I feel like we've been so numb by the internet, bro.
Yeah, there's all these fucking cars out here are like 800, 1,000.
Downpipe tune 700.
Yeah, downpipe.
Like yeah, 700 is impressive, but like, dude,
GTR like 2,000 horsepower. Like
the average person, I'm telling you, the average person, like, I feel like people forget that like automotive people is only such a small percentage of people like in the world. If you get what I'm saying, like,
no, dude, you cannot put a normal person in a 500 horsepower car.
Yeah.
Like when I drove that, because when I was getting my car before that, I never drove like a sports car. I never had like a sports car or anything. And I drove like a 460 horsepower 5.0. Yeah. And it was a 10-speed auto. And dude, I was scared to floor it because it was so fast.
Yeah.
Like that car, you can break traction so easily if you have traction control off.
My friend, his first car was a 6th gen Camaro Z01 manual. His first car.
That's insane. That's insane.
His parents had the money to give him the car. Like, that's my boy Marshall. I love him, man.
Yeah.
But like, he's like, Ilkins, you want to drive? I said, no. No. He was like, nah, it's cool. Like, I trust you. I don't trust myself, bro. Like, I've never driven a car that fast before.
Yeah.
Like, 650, bro.
Dude, you need
in
so
first
much
gear,
strength.
like legit in first gear, he gets to like 70. So like, and then it has no lift shift. So you holding the gas down, shifting,
dude, it's insane. Holding,
and you still on the gas.
Yeah.
So it goes from 70 to 100. Like, so we're going right. Like we get up to like 140, and honestly, probably like no more than like from like start to finish. I would say like less than a mile. Like probably like less than 0.5. Like like I counted probably like, let's say like 10-15 seconds maybe. Whereas at 140 miles an hour. And then when you tap the brakes, like he tapped the brakes, we just slow down. Like from 140 to 70 to 60 to 0. Dude, like going just like this. Like look, hold on. I'm about to show you. Slow down. 140 to 0.
That's insane.
Exactly. And it's not like he smacked the brakes and we was locking up. No. 140 to 0, bro. That's fucking stupid. Like,
you cannot put like fast cars for normal people. You gotta build up to it.
You have to build up to it. You have to.
If you don't want to die.
Your tolerance has to go down.
Yeah, it's like bikes. You know? It's like bikes too. Yeah. Like bikes, you can't get like 1,000 as your first.
But some people do.
You have to have like hella like self-control.
Yeah, but thing is, I feel like people forget that like self-control in men is almost like impossible. I'm not gonna lie. Like that's when they tell you like, hey, stop chasing after women, XYZ. Bro, that's gonna happen by default, bro.
I don't know why to take my jacket off.